is, bitch.
All the niggas, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, hide and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I.
All right, guys, I'm about to check into my hotel, so you guys are going to literally check in with me. Oh, see, I'm all wrong. Okay, so how do we turn everything on? Okay, try to turn. Yes. All right.
Ooh, this is nice.
You like that?
Girl.
Okay.
This orange is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
Situation. Full body mirror. This is the toilet, which is nice. We like privacy. And here is a separate shower. That's nice. All right. Got some towels down there. I'll put this right here. Okay, and then take this dang mask off. We have a closet. Okay, we have slippers, but where's my robe? Where's my robe? Where are you? Do I have to call for one? Because I want a robe. Beauty here. And this is my whole government. On the screen. Oh, they have like a nice mirror here. I'll table and chair. And this, the view. I hate that I get the skyscraper views. I don't like that. Woo! It's nice over here. And I guess they are the corner kings. Yes, nice. All right, guys, so let's get down to the hotel review. I stayed at East Miami Brickell location last year in 2021. I got to my room. I always check my sheets before I lay down or anything. I pulled back my sheets and I noticed that there were blood stains. I did communicate this to the front desk and they had someone come up and change the sheets. As I was checking out, I did let the person that was checking me out, I did let them know, and she attempted to discount my room, but my room was already prepaid, so there was nothing she said she could do about that since I already paid. So this is basically something that I found to be unsanitary. You know, it's in the height of COVID, so it just, you know, rubbed me the wrong way. I also would like to add that there was cigarette butts left out on the balcony, so I would say that housekeeping, you know, missed that as well. And I do consider East Miami to be an upper scale hotel due to how much it actually costs a night to rent out a hotel room. With that being said, I do not think that the hospitality and cleanliness of the hotel measures up to how much it actually costs to stay there. And I did order room service when I was there. The menu was very limited, I would say. I'm not sure if it was limited due to COVID and everything, but I would say I was not impressed by the breakfast. The coffee was good though, but here it is. I had an omelet and I also had some potatoes. wanna throw my